How to delete Myntra account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete your Myntra account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Myntra app. Then once you are in your Myntra app, you have to tap on these three lines in the top left corner here. Then tap on your profile picture. And then here in your profile you have to tap on Help Center. And then here in Help Center you have to tap on Other. And then here in Other you have to again tap on Other. And then here you have to tap on Contact Us. And here you will see two options to contact Myntra's customer care, by chat or by call now. So you can tap on whatever option you want, and then you have to tell the customer executive that you want to delete your Myntra account, and that customer executive will help you to delete your account. And this is the only way to delete your Myntra account. So guys, this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.